Hi, my name is Sukanya. I'm a dancer, arts administrator, certified personal trainer, and yoga instructor. In this video, I'm going to talk about hypothyroidism. A little bit about my background. I grew up in Kolkata, India. I trained in Bharatanatyam and Kathak, which are Indian classical dance forms. I also trained in jazz and contemporary, which eventually brought me to the Martha Graham School of Contemporary Dance, where I trained extensively in modern dance. Now, you might be asking, why are you doing a video on hypothyroidism? Well, hypothyroidism is a very, very common illness that affects a lot of people all around the world. Nearly 10 million Americans suffer from this disease. Nearly 42 million Indians suffer from thyroid-related disorders. Most of it is hypothyroidism, and it has been speculated that 1 in every 10 Indian has hypothyroidism. Now, hypothyroidism also affects females disproportionately more than men. Now, the symptoms of hypothyroidism often includes fatigue, muscle cramps, tiredness, depression, hair loss, skin irritations, and also memory loss. Well, these symptoms are not really life-threatening, but it is definitely not trivial, and it can really affect the quality of your life. Now, hypothyroidism, as from the definition from Endocrine Web, is a metabolic disorder that happens when the thyroid gland stops functioning or produces very little thyroid hormone, which regulates our metabolism. Now, people with hypothyroidism usually have a slower metabolism. This might affect your personal life, your romantic life, your sexual life, or even your athletic performance. Now, one of my very, very favorite YouTubers, Kathryn Morgan, who used to be a soloist with the New York City Ballet and Miami City Ballet, suffers from hypothyroidism and has amazing resources and videos related to this topic. I will link some of her videos below down in the description box. Please go check her out. You will have tons of information regarding this disease and how to deal and cope with it if you're dealing with it right now. The other thing I wanted to talk about hypothyroidism, which is sometimes very, very overlooked, is the lack of support that we get from medical professionals. A lot of doctors and medical professionals oftentimes overlook, ignore, and sometimes even dismiss the symptoms of hypothyroidism. There have been research that showed that more than 73% of patients have said that they do not feel supported by their providers, by their medical professionals or doctors, which is alarming. This should not be the case. The symptoms should be taken very, very seriously and treated as usual. Now, I have been suffering from goiter, which is another thyroid-related disorder, ever since I was 3 years old. And by the age of 20, I was diagnosed with hypothyroidism. I have been taking medication, which is levothyroxine, ever since I was 3 years old, and I'm very well aware that I have to take this medication lifelong. This is something that we, as patients of hypothyroidism, have to accept it, that medication is the way to go. This is the only way to control the hypothyroid related symptoms, but you can also seek other lifestyle changes to help manage your symptoms and manage the quality of your life. I want to use this channel and my platform as a resource and a support system for all of you who are dealing with this disease. It can be hard, it can be life-changing, but you have support, you have people who will listen to you. If you like this content and you would like to see more of this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I will elaborate on my journey of hypothyroidism and how I deal with the symptoms and my medications and my lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please be safe, and please seek out medical advice if you are dealing with any of the symptoms of hypothyroidism. Thank you.